Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which finds a pair with given sum in a binary search tree. First, let us take an example. We traverse binary search tree by in-order way and insert node's value into a set. Also, check for any node difference between given sum and node's value in set. If it is found, then pair exists, otherwise it does not exist. Now let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We assume that we have to find nodes with sum equal to 30. So we pass root, which is 15, and 30 to sum and an unordered set to find pair util function. Since root is not null, we pass the left child of 15, which is 10. Again, as root is not null, we pass the left child of 10, which is null. Now, since root is null, we return false and go to the third if statement. Since the set is empty, we go to the else part and insert 10 into the set. Then, we pass the right child of 10, which is null. As root points to null, we return false and finish execution for node 10. Execution for node 15 is resumed and now we find sum minus 15 is present in the set or not. As it is false, we insert 15 into the set. Next, we pass the right child of 15, which is 20. Since root is not null, we pass the left child of 20, which is null. Now as root points to null, we return false and resume execution for node 20. We go to the third if statement and now we find 30 minus 20, that is equal to 10 in the set. As 10 is there in the set, we print pair and return true. With this, we finish execution for this program. Now, let us have a look at the time complexity of the program. This code will run in big O of n complexity. Here, n are the number of nodes in the binary tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.